Hello friends, this is Ashish from the Life's Way YouTube channel and blog. So we have received another mystery package from My Magic Is Me Disney channel, which is on DSTV channel 303 in partnership with FNB. So this is a new TV program for kids. So I won the same in one of their Facebook live events. So this is the contents of the package. So let's see what they have sent us. So it's a small package, as you can see. So what we have here is a coloring book which says how many ways you can say hello. The coloring book written by Rifoili Mohaloli and illustration by Anja Stoykigt. So basically they are telling us, teaching the children as to how many languages you can say hello, and then this book is really nice, and there are so much to learn for the small kids. So as you can see, there are some special words like shap shap, lekker, summer, aibo, all this stuff, and you can color the book as well. So this is one of the things, and it's published by Strict Children. Penguin Random House is the company behind this book. So moving on, what we have received is kind of coloring sheets which says my magic is I can be myself, my consideration for others, my beauty, and what's your name, and what's your name means. Then you can color your magic. So this is my magic is me. Similarly, the sheet is for different person, and then my magic is my passion for helping others, my love for nature, my love for different experiences, my love for playing, what do you want to do when you grow up. So this is really nice sheets. Similarly, the sheet is for girls also, my culture, my language, my love for art, my love for myself, how I stand up for myself. And the last one is I know what makes me happy, how I create things, my love for art. So these are from the cartoon characters in this Disney Channel's program. And then we have the colors. So basically this is a special type of color, stationery for the skin you are in. So where you have the colors in different brown colors, and this is in triangular shape also. So Color Me product aims to inspire children to celebrate the color of their skin. Our products encourage the expression of individuality, uniqueness, and self-love. So go color you. So basically this is different from the standard colors that we receive, so which is really nice initiative. Yeah, and then in the end we have this book. Let's see what it has. So it says your dreams are valid, enjoy the cards, love, DJ Fix Bash. So this is the affirmation for the African children. So this is a small package. If we can open the thing, and let's see what we have got inside. So these are the affirmations for the African child card, as you can see, and it's also printed by africanaffirmation.org, and there are 31 cards for all ages available in English and Braille also. Braille is the language for children who has no eyesight. They can read by touching the things, touching the dots, and then they can understand what's written. So this is there's information sheet. There are positive affirmations to build healthy young minds and promote conscious parenting. The card features beautiful illustrations by a 13-year-old Madiha Kadir. They represent marginalized groups and cultures in society with the intention of recognizing, acknowledging, and accepting our differences. More African languages are going to come in this formats, which is really a nice initiative. As you can see, all these are like these are same. The back is same, which is really nicely designed by the girl. And then they are telling us how to use the affirmation cards in the manual there, and then when you can use, so children can go through where you can stick it up, and The whole initiative is by Decato Inclusive Education. And then we also have this blind essay for their braille services. So basically they have validated whether the dots are correct, and it means the same thing. And they have also teach the other children who wants to learn as to how to read the braille, so you can also read it. So this is the basically, if the dots are in this particular order, you can maybe check out the words in your mind after learning. So these are the cards. I reach for my dreams, I breathe to feel relaxed and calm, my universe has my back, I'm beautiful, my soul is kind, I'm a proud African child, I'm proud of myself for trying new things, I love myself, I see and love my differences and the differences of others, I'm worthy of love, I'm free. And the cartoons you can see is really nice. My thoughts are powerful, my skin is gorgeous, my mistakes help me improve, I have the courage to be me, I do my best and that is enough, my hair rocks, I'm brave, I'm enough. I'm enough is really a nice quote which I also like. I feel comfortable with quiet time, I am responsible for my actions, and this is taking responsibility for your action, which is really powerful affirmation. I'm thankful for all that I have. This is to feel the grateful for everything you have in your life. Many people doesn't have that also, so this is really powerful. I'm a problem solver. You should always be a solution finder or a problem solver instead of enlarging the problem. So I feel happy when I exercise, which is nice. I believe in myself. Yes, you have to believe in yourself. This is a powerful quote. I wear what makes me feel good. Yes, your clothes should represent you and then you should feel good. It is okay to feel sad. That's totally fine. If I fall, I will get up again. That's really powerful. I can do things that are difficult. My curiosity leads my creativity, and that's it. So these are the beautiful cards, and they are really nice if you go through them on a daily basis. So basically this is a requirement for each and every kid. I'm thankful to Disney for sending me something like this for my kids. And my kid Keisha has her own YouTube channel also. It's called Keisha and You, Keisha &You. So you should definitely go check her out and then maybe follow her. And thank you Disney, thank you Disney Africa, and thank you DSTV channel 303 for the latest program My Magic Is Me. Thank you. Bye.